Hello friends, welcome to RR Digital.
In today's session, I will discuss about three topics. Okay, so first one, how to import the data from RDBMS to HBASE. So previous sessions we discussed, right, RDBMS to HDFS, RDBMS to Hive. Okay, so today first topic we will discuss about RDBMS to HBASE, and second concept, Sqoop Jobs Creation. Okay, like how to create a job and how to execute a job and how to delete a job. So three subtopics here. Okay, and third topic, eval function. Okay, so this is one built-in function is there in a Sqoop. So what is the purpose of this function, that we'll discuss. So first we'll see how to import data from RDBMS to HBASE. Okay, so with primary key table how to import, and without primary key table related data how to import. Okay, so here, so select star from employee. Okay, so I have 4 records in employee table. Now I want to import to HBASE. Okay, so this table contains a primary key. Okay, so here HBASE, so HBASE there is no table. Okay, so it is showing 0 rows, that means no tables we have to create. Okay, so now I will import this particular table related data to HBASE. Okay, using a Sqoop query. So here I will write a Sqoop query. So Sqoop required password Cloudera. Then which table related data you want to import? Employee table related data. Okay, so hyphen HBASE table. So in a HBASE, with which name you want to create table? So in a HBASE also I want a table name as employee only. Okay, and then here column family is mandatory in HBASE. Okay, so hyphen HBASE hyphen column hyphen family. So column family name here I am giving a CF1. You can give any name. Okay, and also based on which column you want to import your data. So here primary key employee number column. So HBASE hyphen row hyphen key. Okay, so row key based on which column? Employee number column. Okay, that column name we have to specify here. Okay, hyphen HBASE hyphen create hyphen table. So you can create a table because table not existed. Okay, while importing data from RDBMS to here, first you create employee table in HBASE. Okay, after that only you import data. Okay, and then hyphen fields hyphen terminated hyphen by. So data separated by type. Here hyphen column hyphen family. HBASE not required. Okay. Okay, so retrieved 4 records. So now here HBASE. So list, here it is showing the employee table. So earlier there is no table, right? It is empty. Okay, now it is showing employee table. So if you want to check data, scan table name employee. Okay, so 4 records. Okay, successfully imported data. Okay, so this is about with the primary key. Okay, so this table employee table we imported because this table contains primary key. Now if table doesn't contain primary key, then how to import data from RDBMS to HBASE? So we have department table. Department table doesn't contain any primary key. Okay, so how to import this particular table related data? Okay, so here we can use two concepts. One is split by based on which column, or else we can use mappers. Okay, mappers M1 or M2 like that. Okay, so first we'll see this one. Okay, split by values. Okay, so here MySQL select a star from DEPT. Okay, so I have only two records, describe DEPT. Okay, okay, so here there is no primary key. Okay, so now I will write a Sqoop query here. Here, which table related? DEPT table related. So here table name DEPT. Okay, and here also in HBASE with the same name you can create. Okay, so DEPT. Okay, and a column family name, whatever you want, you can specify. And a department table based on which column? Here based on a department number column. Okay, so you create a DGPT table in HBase. Okay, so at the end, if table doesn't contain primary key means we have to specify split by. So based on which column? Okay, so here department number column. So retrieved two records. So HBase here list. So here it is showing a DGPT table. Okay, so scan DGPT. The two records are available, so successfully imported. Okay, now disable DGPT. Okay, I'm dropping this table again. Okay, then drop DGPT. Okay, so here list. So now there is no DGPT table. Okay, so now again I will import data using mappers. So if table doesn't contain primary key means you can use a split by or else you can use a mappers. Okay, M1. So retrieved two records here. Okay, so list DEPT created and then scan DEPT. Okay, so this is about RDBMS to HBase concept. So first concept completed. Okay, now second concept. Okay, so how to create a job. Okay, so here job you can create. Inside job you specify n number of your Sqoop queries. Whenever you will execute that Sqoop query, all n number of queries one by one it will execute. Okay, so first we'll see how to create a Sqoop a job. That let me drop this um, employee table from HBase. So disable employee. Okay, and then drop employee. So here list there is no employee a table. Okay. Now how to create a job. So here you can specify your import query or your export query, whatever you want you can specify. Okay, even it is RDBMS to HDFS or RDBMS to Hive or RDBMS to HBase. Okay, but here Sqoop job hyphen create and then your job name. I am giving here my job. So this is the syntax. Okay, so now job created or not we have to check, right? Okay, so Sqoop job hyphen list. Okay, so here see I created a job, my job. So here it is giving a list. Yes, my job it is created. So to check a list of jobs, you have to use this query Sqoop space job space hyphen list. Okay, now this job contains this is the query. Okay, so if we execute this job, this query will execute and this query related table it will create in HBase and it will import data. Okay, so now first step create statement completed. How to execute a job, this is a second point. Okay, so how to execute a job. Okay, so now how to execute a job. So Sqoop job hyphen hyphen execute my job. Okay. So while executing Sqoop job, it will ask again password for security reasons. So we have to give again password Cloudera. So now job is executing. Okay. And the backend in HBASE, it will create a table. So here it is created table. Okay. And then your scan query, right? Scan employee. Still, I think job is running, data not imported, only table created. So here scan employee. So 4 records. Okay. So second topic also completed, how to execute job. Now how to delete a Sqoop job. Okay, so here you have to specify Sqoop job hyphen hyphen delete and then your job name. See, while creating job I specified only one query, but in real time you can create one by one n number of queries in same job. Okay, successfully deleted. So how to check whether it is deleted or not? Using a list. So here available jobs empty, it is showing, that means successfully deleted. Okay. So this is about Sqoop jobs creation and execution and deletion. Okay. Now third concept, how to use eval function. So basically here if you see MySQL, every time I'm opening here one window. Okay. I'm checking here select query how many records is there or not. Okay. So instead of opening this MySQL prompt, instead of executing query here, using Sqoop query, directly you can execute these select queries. Using Sqoop query, you can connect MySQL, RDBMS. Okay. So insert query or select query, whatever you want, you can execute using eval function. Okay. So now I will just close this window, MySQL window. So this is my uh, Sqoop window. Okay, Sqoop queries. Okay, so here I will just remove all this. Okay, so till password I am keeping. Okay, and here Sqoop, so function name eval. Okay, my function name eval. So this is a database connectivity, username, password, those all are same. Here hyphen hyphen query, and within double quotes you can write any SQL query, not a Hive or not HBase. Okay, only SQL query. So here select star from employee. That means it will connect to RDBMS. It will go to this database retail underscore DB. Under this database, this particular employee related data it will retrieve. See, successfully retrieved data. So any SQL query using a Sqoop query you can execute, but query you have to write inside this double quotes only. Even you can apply join condition in select query. Okay, and here, for example, you want to insert data into MySQL. So you can insert here, insert into table, which table related? Employee table, values. Okay, so employee name 5, employee number 5. Okay, so employee name Ram. Okay, and then phone number, right? So here some number, and then salary, and then a department number 50. Okay, so one record updated here successfully, one record updated. Now you can check. Okay, MySQL hyphen u root hyphen Cloudera, use retail underscore db, show tables, select r from employee. See, this only, right? We inserted, successfully inserted into MySQL. Okay, so this is about Sqoop.
Thanks for watching this session. Also, please subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Bye friends.